Hey, what's up everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to see how you can add or change branding on your YouTube channel. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel, and here on the corner, if you play any video on your YouTube channel, you will see here on the corner a little logo. You can put anything, you can put a picture, and from here people can subscribe to your channel who are not on your YouTube channel. Then how you can add this branding, add or move or change. Now let's start. First I'm gonna go back. So you have to log into your YouTube channel. Like here I am on my YouTube channel already. From here you have to go here, go to YouTube Studio. Once you go to on YouTube Studio, then here on the left hand side there's a customization. So we're gonna click on a customization. From here there's many things. It's a layout, branding. So here we're gonna click on the branding, and the branding section there's three things. First, the picture is this one, and a banner image. When you have your channel, it go here on the top behind, and the branding goes on the corner. And you can also change how to display. Like you can display only end of the video. Custom start time means like you can choose your own time when you want to show your branding, or you can put an entire video that I have it done already. So what basically you have to do, if you don't have any branding, you're gonna say only add or something, but in my case I have already said change or remove. So I'm gonna click on change. I can choose one like this one. A picture need to be like really in size. You can go check a YouTube policy, whatever the size is recommend. So once you put on frame, you done, say done. So your branding picture is here. You're gonna take time, maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. We're gonna try. I'm gonna say publish, and done. Now we can go back. I have to minimize because I don't wanna get copyright claim from somebody else's video, because people claim for everything. I'm gonna go dashboard. I have to go to my channel. I'm gonna go here. I will choose any my picture. I'm gonna choose any my video to see. Turn off volume, skip ad, and here we go. It didn't take that long. So that's the way you can change and move or add branding on your YouTube channel. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.